So, good morning. Today, I want us to look at how you can use some of these generative AIs like ChatGPT together with other artificial intelligence platforms to try and develop something that can be able to work with you well, or a product that you can be able to actually sell or put it in your YouTube. So today I want to actually develop a video from the content that I'm going to get from Google. There's some of the content that I want to get from Google, and this content will help me develop a video when I actually use two generative AIs platforms to see what I can get from it. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to try and summarize what I'm going to get to the article that I'm going to get, and then use Design AI to actually create videos on the article that I'm going to use. And from there, I can develop a very simple documentary. Now, the article that I'm going to deal with is the article that I'm going to deal with. I don't know whether I have the article here, but I have already. Okay, the article that I'm going to deal with is this one. If you look at this article here, it talks about the problem of, or some of the areas that are going to be disrupted by OpenAI or artificial intelligence. You can see this is what they have here. They have the article here. It's a big article here about all that. They are trying to talk about some of the areas that are going to be disrupted by some of these generative AIs that you're talking about. So we have finance, we have education, we have graphic and design, we have software engineering, and many others. So I'm going to use this article to try and see whether I can be able to summarize it and create content from it. And after that, I create a video from that summary that I'm going to use. Now, I've already taken the content that I would want to use, and you can see the content. My system is misbehaving a bit. So the content is here. I have already put it in the Word format, so you can see the content here from here to the end. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use ChatGPT to try and do what we call summarize this article in such a way that when I put it in the system that I'm going to use, then I can be able to get what I'm looking for. So this is the article that I've summarized from that Google content, and you can see it is a small article. It is not as big as what we had there. And at the end, I've talked about myself being the developer of this. So what I have done is that I've just taken the most important areas. So what I'm going to do is to actually take this article. I'm going to take this or this from this article. I'm going to copy it. Then after copying everything, then copy. I'm going to go to ChatGPT now. Where's my ChatGPT? I'm going to go to my ChatGPT here, and I paste there, and I tell it to summarize the article for me. Summarize article for me in paragraphs, because I want it to be in paragraphs so that it can be easier for me. So you can see I've told it to summarize. The article discusses how ChatGPT and artificial intelligence will disrupt the industries. So the education sector, they have the education sector there, the software engineering, then we have the journalism, then we have the the graphic design. So that is what I've gotten from ChatGPT. So you can see the article here. So I'm going to take this article now. I'm going to take the article now. But because I do believe that some of these areas, like there, I needed to have, I'm going to take this article, the whole of this article, as it has been done by the ChatGPT, and then put it in what we call the design AI, and tell the design AI now to create videos from this. So I have my article now. I don't know why I'm not able to take everything. Well, that is not a problem, because so now after I take that article, so maybe I can actually take a layer by its layer, copy. I will go to this one. I'll go there. Let me just put it in my share. I'll go to design AI. You can see we have design AI here. Then I say that I want the videos. After saying that I want the videos, then it will take me to the creation of the videos. Remember, I'm still using the article that I've gotten from there. So I will come here and put my work there. Go back to what I had here. I go back to my, remember I have not taken everything. That is why I'm going back there. I'll take the second one there, copy. Then I'll go back to my this one. And I copy again, Control V. And because education, so here I wanted the software, the issue of software to be also a paragraph by itself. I did not want it to be, and also finance. I wanted it to be a paragraph by itself. So you can see I have 7 or 5 words. So I go back to this one here, so that I can take the last part there, copy. Then I go back to my hot. Where is it? One that I was using, the video, the design AI. Then I copy the last part there. So I'm still within the limits of my words, 1051 to 1500. So here, that is journalism. This is graphic design. Then here, I can actually say that the video is created by the knowledge hawker, and then maybe there I can say, please subscribe to get more of this. Please should be capital. So you can see now I have put my work in another generative AI. Remember, I started with these work coming from the coming from ChatGPT. So I can have my title. The title will be industries that may be disrupted by ChatGPT. GPT. That is my title. Here I put capital industries. So you can see now I have the whole thing. So instead of the article, we can say this episode. In this episode, we discuss how ChatGPT. So we are going to discuss how ChatGPT discuss how ChatGPT and artificial intelligence will disrupt the various industries. So to mention that Microsoft have made $1 million in this technology. The other argues that, so here we have comma, the other argues that AI is replacing white-collar workers and many industries are vulnerable, including, so those are the industries. So because now I have all that and you can see it is in the range of my words, so I continue, I click that button there, and it tells me to actually choose the sector. So this one I'll choose education, and I click the button again. So it is in English, so I can choose the voiceover. Which voice do I want? So I can come here and look at some of the voices that are there. Some of the voices that are there. This one I want a male called Jolly. Can listen to the voice. I hear how it is. So it is the best voice that I would want for that one. And if I choose that one, then I continue. Remember now I have put a voiceover. So my videos already have the voice that is needed. So what this tool is doing is that it is now looking for photos, for videos that can be able to relate with actually the content that I've given them. So they are going very soon, they are going to give me the videos. And then after giving me the videos, I can look at those videos. Maybe I can choose some of the videos, remove some of the videos, and put some of the videos that I want from it, that I want from actually whatever content they have. So you can see AI is doing what it is supposed to do. It is trying to get the videos for that text that I've given them. Remember, I started with ChatGPT. I started from Google. I took an article from Google. I read it. I looked at some of the most important areas that I thought that it was easy for me to be able to get something from them. And then after that, I moved further and tried to summarize. So you can see it has given me the videos, the industry that may be disrupted by ChatGPT. So that these are the videos. I can listen and try to see what it has in the video. So we have that video. So we have that one. Talking about Microsoft, and you can see Microsoft there. Then my system is hanging basically because I think the video is very short. So we have that one. Here I can already teach classes and would be most effective at the middle or high school levels. Then we have the finance, what it is going. So you can see the video that it has chosen for me in finance. Then we have the software engineering. You can see the video that it has chosen for me in software engineering. Then we have the new journalism. So you can see the video that it has chosen for me in journalism. Then you have graphic design. So you can see the video that it has chosen for me in graphic design. Then after that, we go back to whatever I said. This video is created by the Knowledge Hawker. Then please subscribe to get more of this. So you can see my video is up, and all this has been done by ChatGPT. So now the next thing is to upload the video. If I want to upload the video, I can upload the video. Now, if some of these photos, I don't like them, then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to come here. You can see the photos that are there for lit, that are there for lit. So if I'm not contented with these photos, like this one, maybe I may not be contented. Then what I will do is that maybe I can go back and try and see whether I can change that one. So like now this one, it does say that may be disrupted by ChatGPT. Maybe I don't want that one. And because I don't want that one, I can choose that one for that. So you can see it is trying to do what we call to replace that video. It is trying to replace that video for me so that now, instead of having that where people are just laughing, it did not have any connection with what I was saying, then you can see that video goes hand in hand. So you can see all these videos. So I can look at the video that is not very okay with what I'm doing. So you can see like now this one, they are saying that it is shorter than the voiceover. So maybe I can choose another one that I think maybe can go hand in hand with the voiceover that I chose. Remember, I chose a guy who was supposed to actually help me to put the voice on what I was trying to do. So even that one is short. I don't know which one should be longer. Maybe I can choose this one because I want something that is not going to give me a lot of challenges, especially when I'm doing what I'm doing. So you can see I have done a video. Remember, I started with the Google, I created content, I looked at the content that was there in the Google. Then after that, I actually summarized the content, I put it in ChatGPT. I told it to summarize for me so that it can go hand in hand with what I was supposed to do. Then I went to the second. I put that information to the second AI, generative AI platform called the Design AI, and the Design AI now put videos on that. And all what I have is a whole episode of an AI generated content from what I took from actually what I read from Google. So you can see I'm able to do everything for that. So I still have a problem with this one because I can see the photos, the videos that they are giving me are shorter than the voiceover that I have. And that is where you see me trying to look for a video that actually goes hand in hand with the voiceover. So that one is okay. I think that one is okay. So you can see now my video is okay now. I can be able to learn the whole video from start to the end. I have created actually content, a video-based content from what I took from what I was able to take from Google, an article that I read from Google. I can be able to convert it to a video very easily. So that is the capability of some of these generative artificial intelligence, especially when you combine them together to see what you can be able to do. So for now, I think that is what I can be able to show you people. I just hope that you have learned something from me. You have learned how you can be able to actually integrate two platforms, AI platforms, to actually create content that is good, content that you can be able to even put in your social media, a content that you can be able to even put in your YouTube channel by integrating two artificial intelligence platforms. So thank you very much for that. And I do hope that it has given you an opportunity to understand some of these things and how you can be able to create value using some of these content. So